Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting. How to build a complete app from scratch using two incredible tools, lovable.dev AI and Supabase. Get ready to see just how quickly and efficiently you can bring your app ideas to life. Part 1. Crafting your app with lovable.dev AI. The power of a prompt. First things first, let's talk about lovable.dev. This isn't just another website, it's an AI-powered development platform that lets you create a functional web application with nothing more than a simple text prompt. It's like having a coding wizard at your fingertips. For this video, we're going to build a comprehensive health tracker app. Imagine an app where you can monitor your daily activity, manage your weight, track your heart rate and blood pressure, log your water intake, and even keep an eye on your sleep patterns. Lovable.dev AI can generate all these features for us effortlessly. The process couldn't be simpler. Navigate to lovable.dev. In the prompt box, describe the app you want to create. For our health tracker, we'll detail all the functionalities we just discussed. Hit enter, and the platform will prompt you to sign in. You can use your Google or GitHub account. I'm using GitHub for seamless integration. Once you're logged in, lovable.dev AI gets to work. You'll see it generating code, building components, and assembling your entire application right before your eyes. This usually takes just a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on the complexity of your prompt. And just like that, behold, our health tracker app is now fully generated by lovable.dev. It's got the dashboard, the individual tracking sections, and the user interface all ready to go. But what's an app without data? That's where Supabase comes in. Part 2. Integrating Supabase for real-time data management. Now that our app's front end is complete, it's time to connect it to a robust and scalable backend. We're going to use Supabase, an open-source Firebase alternative that provides a powerful PostgreSQL database, authentication, real-time subscriptions, and much more. This will allow our health tracker app to store user data persistently and display real-time updates. Here's how we integrate Supabase. Head over to supabase.com and log in. You can use your GitHub or Google account for quick access. Once logged in, your first step is to create an organization. I've set up Vincent Tech Org for this tutorial. Within your organization, click on New Project. Give your project a descriptive name. I'm calling ours Tracker. Crucially, select your database password and choose the region closest to you. For me, South Asia, Mumbai, is the ideal choice for optimal performance. With our Supabase project configured, we return to our lovable.dev app. The magic here is that lovable.dev can also understand our intent to connect to Supabase. Within the lovable.dev environment, you'll simply issue another prompt, something like, connect this web app to the Supabase database. Lovable.dev's AI will then intelligently generate the necessary SQL schema to create tables in your Supabase database that correspond to the data structures our health tracker app will need, e.g., tables for steps, weight, heart rate, etc. Review the proposed changes and click Apply Changes. And just like that, the connection is established. You'll now see a login page for your health tracker app. Go ahead and log in. You'll be able to input and view your health data. But to truly appreciate the power of this integration, let's switch back to your Supabase dashboard. Navigate to the Table Editor or Database section. You'll instantly see that all the necessary tables for steps, weight, heart rate, and more have been automatically created and are ready to store your data. So, there you have it. This is how we successfully created our health tracker app. As you can see, it's functioning perfectly on the website, displaying all the essential data: your steps, weight, heart rate, blood pressure, water intake, and sleep metrics. And the best part? If you navigate over to your Supabase dashboard, you'll see all the corresponding tables have been automatically created and are populated with the real-time data you entered from the website. It's a seamless, end-to-end connection. With these simple steps, you can build an entire website, fully connected to Supabase for robust data management. Plus, you have the flexibility to publish your code to GitHub, download it locally, and make any further customizations you desire. It truly empowers you to take control of your projects from concept to deployment.